Buildertrend doesn't list fixed public pricing because every construction business gets a custom quote based on company size, users, and the level of project management tools needed. By the end, you'll understand how Buildertrend pricing works, what actually affects the cost, and whether it makes sense for your construction business compared to other platforms. Buildertrend is construction management software used for project scheduling, budgeting, customer communication, change orders, and job tracking in one system. Instead of a single subscription price, the cost is built around custom plans tailored to how a construction company operates. Now explain plan structure. Buildertrend uses tiered functionality where different plan levels unlock different parts of the construction workflow system. Lower tiers focus on essentials like scheduling, client communication, and basic project tracking, while higher tiers expand into advanced budgeting, financial management, and full project control tools. Now explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is feature access, because tools like financial tracking, advanced reporting, and full project oversight are usually part of higher-level plans. The second factor is team size, because more users means more project managers, office staff, and field workers inside the system. Now explain what you are actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one construction management platform that replaces separate tools like scheduling apps, budgeting spreadsheets, client communication tools, and project tracking systems. That matters because many contractors compare Buildertrend to the combined cost of multiple software subscriptions instead of one platform. Now explain who uses it. Buildertrend is mainly used by construction companies like remodelers, home builders, and general contractors who manage multiple projects and client communications at the same time. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because there is no fixed public pricing page, and every business gets a custom quote based on its setup and operational needs. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is expecting Buildertrend to have a standard monthly price, when in reality the cost scales based on features and business complexity. Now explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate Buildertrend pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow instead of trying to find a single number online. Now explain limitation. A limitation is that smaller construction businesses may not use the full suite of budgeting and project management tools, which can make the platform feel expensive compared to simpler project apps. Now simplify it. Buildertrend pricing is based on construction business complexity, not a one-size subscription that fits every contractor. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller builders usually only need scheduling and client communication, while larger contractors benefit more because they can manage budgets, projects, and workflows in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for scheduling, budgeting, client communication, and project tracking. Then compare them to what Buildertrend replaces in one platform. If Buildertrend replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler construction management tool may be the better fit.